Good day, everyone. My name is Fritz Antoinette Ocarba, and I will be discussing about Mandriva. Mandriva Linux, also known as Mandrake Linux, is a Linux variant distributed by a French software company, Mandriva. The name Mandriva is a combination of Mandrake and Connectiva, two variations of Linux, upon which it is based. Mandriva uses RPM, Red Hat Package Manager. It's an installation and packaging tool for package management, and its design focuses on ease of installation and use. First version of Mandriva was released in 1998 and was based on Red Hat Linux. As the OS matured, at one time it was hailed as being the most user-friendly Linux distribution available. History. In the late 1990s, Gael Duval engaged in a mission to make Linux more accessible for computer users at all experience levels. He formed Mandrake Soft and worked to create the Mandrake OS that was based on Red Hat Linux. As a result of his efforts to integrate user-friendly features, the distribution grew in popularity and became as one of the easiest Linux distributions to work with. To expand its reach to Latin America, Mandrake Soft bought Connectiva, a Brazilian company, then it changed its name and OS name to Mandriva. The company continued to produce various releases until 2011, when it began to have difficulties. By 2015, it was dissolved. Even though Mandriva releases have stopped, it still lives through its various forms. Features. Mandriva Linux contains many user-friendly features that still exist today. One of the major features were the graphical installer. This feature allows users to complete installation of the OS on their machine without having to go through a command line. The use of a GUI installer was especially helpful to users who had no experience with Linux command line. In addition, the Mandriva OS made it much more easier to connect peripheral storage devices such as USB sticks, CDs, and external hard drives. It works the same way with Windows. Another feature of Mandriva OS is the concept of graphical configuration. Instead of editing text files and using the command line to alter configurations, users can simply change much of the configuration using graphical tools. Also, Mandrake allowed users a choice of window managers. Window management software determines the look and feel of the OS. Like other Linux distributions, Mandriva also had many graphical programs for sending and receiving mail, managing files, and welcome screens that introduce users to new features. Mandriva forks. Although Mandriva introduced many features that revolutionized Linux and attracted new users, the company that created the distribution eventually shut down. Though new releases of the original Mandriva software are currently unavailable, derivatives still exist that can be installed, such as Open Mandriva LX, Mageia Linux, Rasa Linux, and PC Linux OS. Open Mandriva LX. After Mandriva company stopped updating its Linux distribution, the software development for it was taken over by a community-based group called Open Mandriva that was formed in 2012. Versions of Open Mandriva share many features similar to the most of the GUI-based Linux distribution and is a combination of Rosa and Mandriva. Mageia Linux. Mageia is another derivative of Mandriva distribution. It was formed in 2010 by a former employees of Edge IT. When that company was liquidated, the distribution shares of the same features as Mandriva, including support of different window managers and other graphical features. Rasa Linux. Rasa Linux is another fork of Mandriva distribution. It originated by a Russian company with the same name. Though the OS supports multiple desktop managers, Rasa developers have turned KDE to provide a user-friendly experience, helping to satisfy the goals of the original Mandriva distribution. Rasa Linux is available for multiple platforms, including regular PCs and servers. PC Linux OS, another fork of Mandriva OS. PC Linux OS was created in 2003 by Bill Reynolds, also known as PCLOS. PC Linux has many features comparable to many modern Linux distributions, including graphical interfaces, office software, and advanced graphics support. The Mandriva Linux distribution began as a project to make Linux accessible to more users. The distribution was one of the first to have many user friendly features, including complete graphical installation and configuration that did not require a command line. Though the original company is now defunct, Mandriva's legacy of user friendly features lives on through various folks.